Let's refine our table styles a little bit to make it more readable and visually appealing. Let's add padding 5 pixels for top and bottom and 10 pixels for left and right to table cells. And then text align center to align text to the center of the cell. For our table heading, let's add a background color using our website's predefined color scheme. So TH element selector, and then background color, variable heading color. However, the solid color might feel too intense. Let's make it slightly transparent by adjusting the color in the root CSS variables, like this. And let's also apply it to our H1 header for consistency. So H1 color, heading color. By default, all table rows are transparent. That's okay for small tables, but when we add more rows, it can get harder to read. Let's add some more data, and I'm just going to copy this and modify the data slightly. So let's change this to JavaScript, and the second row to C# and experience level to 5. Now that we have more rows, it would be easier to read if every second row had different background color. We can use the nthchild pseudo class to achieve that. tr for table row, and then colon nthchild, parentheses even, and then background color lavender to make even rows lavender. The nthchild selector selects child elements according to their position among all the sibling elements within a parent element. This will apply the style to every even-numbered row. We can do similar thing for odd rows, table row, nthchild odd, background color, and let's pick some slightly lighter shade, like snow. Great! Now we can easily distinguish between rows. Let's make the table more interactive by adding a hover effect. Table row, hover pseudo-class, filter, brightness 90%, will darken when hovered, and cursor pointer to indicate interactivity. To better match the overall color scheme, let's make the table header text lighter. Color for text color snow. Now our table is more readable, interactive, and visually appealing. Feel free to experiment with different colors and styles to match your own theme. Remember the nthchild pseudo class, which allows you to select elements based on their position within a parent element, like nthchild even and nthchild odd.